Hello, this is Jake and welcome back to my automotive channel. Today we're at Kofford Carnival. It's a little bit wet, as you can probably tell, and cars are just filling in there. The mini club's actually coming in right now. Quite a few minis coming in. We've bought Anna's Rover Streetwise and the Renault Megane. We was going to bring the Rover 25, but because the weather's a bit bleak and we're running out of drivers, we thought we'd leave that. We got a TVR coming in now. Very nice. And if you pan over that way, you can see the Triumph Spitfires TR7. Lovely, lovely herald on the end now. And the minis are coming in. It looks like we're going to have the TVR next to us today, which is quite nice. And yeah. So we'll get sorted out, get all the cars out. We got a little information leaflet set up in both cars. We'll give them a little bit more of a clean, even though it's wet, and we'll let everyone settle in, and then we'll work our way around and see what we can find. Look at this Opel GT. Oh, I really love these cars. Absolutely stunning. I think I filmed one not so long ago at another show. But I love these cars. Another dream car. Look at the little bulge in the bonnet. Oh, he's for sale. That's bad. That's bad news. Fully mechanically restored. Oh, don't say that. I ain't car shopping yet. But look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, Z3, always have a soft spot. Yes, ours was a 1.8. Ours didn't have the chrome frame in the back. Tan interior though. But I spotted a 924S. Mine is getting closer and closer to the road. I don't know, this might be the same one we met at Anthony Farm a while back, but always a sucker for a 924. Yeah, very nice. Love the wheels on it too. We got a Peugeot 106. Hey?
V6.
Oh, a V6. Is that a genuine V6 though? Or is it just the Alfred's badge? Looking by the stickers, yeah, I would say so. The AC. You alright? You alright?
Yeah.
You alright? Wow, we found a Fiat 500. Right-hand drive as well. Don't know if that's a genuine right-hand drive or been made into a right-hand drive, but look at that. They're so amazing. Got the Abarth all over, so it probably does have the bigger Abarth engine. The interior is lovely as always. This is usually where I park my classic 500. In fact, I was parked over there about 3 years ago now. But yes, more updates on mine very soon, I promise. When I grow up, I want to be a Ferrari. Love that. That's nice. That's nice. Proper old school. Just spotted this Genetta G4. Added to my recent car list of cars I want to own. I love them. I will own a Genetta one day. proper, you know, you take this car on track, have a great time with it. It looks lovely, it looks fast. But yeah, definitely add that one to the list. Now let's go and see what else we can find, because all I can smell at the moment is really nice food. But we got a meal deal ready, so there's also in front of the 500 side for all you mini owners, there's a mini, and it just shows you the size comparison. And the amount of times I've been called a mini owner with my 500, which really annoys me, you can really see the difference in size. The 500 is smaller. We got our Bond bugs, lovely in green. I always see them in orange, so it's actually quite nice to see a different colour. Look at that. Very unique design. Certainly different. Nice little kit car. Is that a booster seat? Okay. Quattro, always nice to see this one. I haven't seen them out for a bit, but actually I might be, oh no, it's the same one. MGF. Volkswagen EOS, nice. A couple of the campers over there too. Split screens as well. And then over here we have this very cute, unusual car. Is it what, Quantum? 1.6 Sport H4. Different T-top as well, which is quite nice. Look at that. Certainly different. Another Z3. Chrysler Crossfire, which I've always had a soft spot for them. And I do like my Chryslers. And yeah, that is certainly unique. Well done to the person who bought the Ford Puma. Absolutely love the Ford Puma, and I don't say that about many Fords. Another Ford. This is a really old Bedford camper. There's Malvin.
Yeah.
There's Dolomite.
Yeah, you see that Fiat Abarth down the road?
Yeah. Two lovely minis here, and this one even has his own little mini trailer, which is fantastic. Designer, they look very smart. Giant Ford Cortina Estate. I'm sure Roger had one of these at some point. This lovely little Triumph. Yes, this was a Disney Cap Social last year when we took the 911. Spitfire. Should be up there with the other Spitfires, really. This, I have no idea what these two are, but I'm going to have to find out now. I recognise it. Oh, TR9. Okay. And then we have a blue TR9. TR7. I do like the TR7s. There's actually a bright green one locally, and I thought that might have been here today, but no, never mind. Ford Cortina. We keep seeing these at Castle Coombe. I don't know if it's the same one or not. I love the Alpine. Compared to the new Alpines, no comparison really. These are just better looking. I don't, unless he's had his wheels done recently, that ain't the one I know of. We got Ford Club down here again. There's the Jeep we saw earlier, the TR4, quite nice there. Two Mars Minors. There's not that many Mars Minors here. Usually there's quite a few of these. And there you go. Nicely done. Got the railway done now, they're open today. The little museum. That Jag is lovely, lovely colour on that Jag. We got an MGB. next to a giant Rolls. There's the Audi. And the Rolls. And then up here we have a Vauxhall Corvette, I think. Porsche 911 next to a Volkswagen Scirocco. This one we have seen at shows a few times. He's gone to a couple of the car meets. This Vauxhall Corvette here, coupe. I think it's Corvette. Correct me if I'm wrong. That's lovely. Looks like it has a full red interior to match as well. Let's take a look at the new MG sports car. Well, they call it sports car, but oh, they took the roof off now because it stopped raining, so their battery can't get wet.
Yes, I did. Can you be quiet?
There you go.
If it had a proper engine in it.
Grey interior.
Oh, right, okay.
I don't have white seats because I know they're gonna get dirty.
Yeah, I did.
But Lamborghini doors also.
He delivers.
A nice back end on it. Still too modern for us.
I think so.
S2000, always a fan of. Look at this Buick. Now, he done a car meet with us in the year. Buick Riviera. And yeah, stunning piece of kit. Went out my Chrysler New Yorker and we had these two parts side by side. Yeah, outstanding. Very nice car. Hopefully we'll get him into some meets again soon. There's the Golf GTI. We did miss a Jag. There you go, there's the Jag. It's nice. And the Rover, of course. The Rover, is it 110? Yes, P4 110. There you go. Now Anna is supporting Rover today with Streetwise. Oh yes, that's lovely, that is. I recently got taken around. No, it wasn't Mark 3, it was Mark 2. Another military style Jeep, Land Rover. Sorry. This is interesting. So this is a 306 pickup from Brazil, and these were only made in Brazil. So extremely rare. He'd exported it out. I'm sure it's Brazil. I get it wrong, but yeah, very nice, very rare. Probably won't see that many in the UK. So if you ever see one, grab a picture. Wow, the sun is finally coming through. Hannah's cleaning the Streetwise. Nice TVR next to us. But everyone always says cars are getting bigger. But look at this. They don't get much bigger than that. And we're talking proper old school Cadillac. Wow, there we have it. So it's been a great day. It's been very busy. Like I said, met with a lot of people. Thank you for taking an interest in our cars. I know they're nothing compared to some of the stuff on display here today. There's some really nice stuff here. But yeah, what a great day. You know, everyone's chatting, talking, having a good time. Ice cream van is right there and being very busy. And even the stores over there, it's been great. And all the pubs and shops are open as well, so that's even better. So thank you all for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. I will see you again very soon. Bye for now.